TikTok Shop product sourcing tools. TikTok Shop product sourcing tools help sellers find reliable suppliers, trending products, and inventory options that match consumer demand. These tools make it easier to connect with verified manufacturers, compare pricing, analyze margins, and identify which products are best suited for TikTok's fast-paced, trend-driven market. By using sourcing tools, sellers can save time, reduce risks, and maintain consistent product quality for their store. Product sourcing tools also allow you to filter suppliers based on shipping speed, location, and product type. This helps ensure that your store can deliver orders quickly, an important factor for maintaining customer satisfaction and TikTok seller performance standards. Many tools also provide data on best-selling items, letting you identify which products are gaining traction across multiple categories before they peak in popularity. Many experienced sellers use Helium 10 to complement their TikTok Shop product sourcing efforts. Helium 10 provides powerful analytics for demand forecasting, competition analysis, and product validation. When used alongside sourcing platforms, it helps sellers make smarter decisions by combining supplier reliability with real-time market data. This ensures you source not only the right products, but also the most profitable ones for your audience. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to source winning products and scale your TikTok shop like a pro.